What's up, you guys? Thank you for watching another YouTube video. Welcome back to the channel. So this video is going to be about the update about the CVT cooler. And if you follow me on Instagram, you guys would know that I've been having issues with the CVT cooler. So I contacted Mishimoto to see if they could send me a new one, because I'll show you guys right now how it's kind of bent right where the other piece goes to screw on, and so that you could attach the hose to. I'll show you guys right now. So I sent them that, all the pictures and info, and since they do offer that lifetime warranty on their products, they sent me a new one. So shout out to them for doing what they state. And here's what I've encountered, and this is why it kept on leaking. As you can see right there, let's see if it focuses. Right there is like kind of like shaved off or bent or whatever. And same on this side. So that was the reason why it kept on leaking. It didn't leak a lot, but just like a little bit. And I didn't want all the CVT fluid to come out, so I just contacted them immediately, and then they just sent me a new one like 3 days later. So I'll show you guys the box that they sent me. Here it is. Okay, so that's the cooler that was in the box, and they were also kind enough to send me a new things of these. I don't know what they're called, but they go on top of here. They screw into there, and just so that it seals correctly now. And I'll show you guys this one's how they're supposed to come. You see how it's just like perfectly rounded right there. And then this one, the same. It doesn't have like, it's not like bent or anything. So I'll be installing this. I'll take out the other one, and then I'll put it in the same place, and then hopefully it should work now. Because I was thinking of putting like thread lock or thread tape, so like it doesn't like leak, but they claim that they shouldn't leak with that, so I'm just gonna go with that. I don't want to really mess around with it too much, but because I know that there's some things that you could put around the thread right here so that it doesn't leak, but we'll see what happens. And then later on, I'm also planning to like do like a review video on it, just to like give my personal impression on it, if it actually like helped out the car, the transmission, how it feels, if it made any difference in the power of the car or whatever. And that should be coming here soon. But for now, I'm just gonna take that thing off. I'm not sure if I'm gonna reuse that CVT cooler oil, but I did have a little bit extra when I installed that one, so I'm gonna use that one. But if I need a little bit more, I'll just, I guess, take some out of there, because that thing is full, basically. Oh, sorry, guys. This thing's not focused. Okay, there. But yeah, we'll see how it goes. I'm gonna use the same hoses. I'm just gonna take that piece off right there, and then we'll see how it goes. Okay, guys, so finally I took it off after like freaking 20 minutes, because the type of thing that I did to for it to go in the front was like it had 2 bolts on each side at the bottom. So I have to get under the car, like take off the whole plastic, and then so I could unscrew the nut. And here, let me show you it. So that's the new one, and the old one goes out. This thing's hella dirty. All from all the oil always leaking and stuff. I guess they just like got scattered around. But yeah, well, here's this. Okay. Only true mechanics don't wear gloves. All oily. But yeah, that's that. Now I'm just gonna put the other one on, screw it on, and then after that I'll put the CVT oil back in. And if you want to know like all about like where do you get the CVT oil, or how I did my like custom thing that I did, whatever you want to call it, just make sure to go check out my other video of the installment of this CVT cooler. I'll put like a little thing you could click on at the end of this video, so you guys could go check that one out if you have any more questions. So now I'm just gonna get the other one real quick. Okay, guys, so I put the 2 bolts that go under here. Then I put 2 on that side and then 2 on that side, and then I put them down here. They were a pain in the butt. As you see, I had to cut some plastic on to mount it here. But I really like how the cooler looks down here, and I didn't want it up there how Mishimoto's tells you to install it. And there's the other 2. Yeah, it's a pain in the butt, man. But we got that finally done. Now I just have to put the clips back on that, and then hook up these brackets right here back up to these spots right here. Same on the other side, and these are just zip tied. And then later on, we'll take off the intercooler and then we'll put the piping that goes into the original CVT cooler, I believe. Because I believe it does have a CVT cooler, or not, correct me, I don't even know. But we'll connect it to that thing over there. I'll get back to you guys. Okay guys, so I put the brackets on. It just goes 2. It just has 2 on each side, 2 there, and then 2 nuts down there. Now, I guess I'll just replace these. And then once I do that, I'm just gonna fill it up. I don't think I have like a funnel or something to put it on, so I'm probably just gonna have to use this thing. But that's what I'm gonna use. It's pretty easy. You just have to unscrew that part right there. Okay guys, so I just put the CVT fluid on, and it's topped off there and there. And then you could use a little funnel thing. I use that one, and then just go really slowly because it has to go in through all like the layers it has until it gets to the top, so it's gonna go slowly. And then now I already put the new ones on. That's how they look. I'm just gonna screw them on, and then I put it so it doesn't put any pressure, so they're gonna go on like this side. And I wanted it like that, to go on like that, because I didn't really want to cut the hose, because I might swap this to there, and then the front, and then the intercooler to the bottom, get like a front mount from ETS or something, and full send this CVT transmission. We'll see how much power it could hold before it freaking blows up. And if it does, man, I just STI transmission swap it. I know of some people that could do that for me. That'll be super cool for the channel. And then, well, that I guess I'll just throw it away or sell it to someone that has a CVT. But for now, that's where it's gonna be at. And now I'm just gonna connect that. Okay guys, so it's like the 3rd day or 4th, 5th, I don't even know what day it is into this video. And this is what I'm gonna be doing. So I just put it how it's supposed to go. So this one's the one that works, and then that was the one that had issues from factory. And honestly, I really like the look, so I'm just gonna leave that one on like that. I just zip tied it. I really like how that one looks, and then we'll just do the top one that actually works how it is. And it stopped leaking. I don't know if the position I had it made it leak or not, but now it's all working. And now I'm just gonna put the bumper on, and then we should be all good to go. And honestly, if you stayed this far into the video, thank you so much for watching, you guys. Like always, like it up, comment on things you guys would like to see, and I'm out.